Hi guys, in this video I will be showcasing you how to fix the fast charging not working on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings. In the main settings you are going to look for the battery. So you're going to tap on that, and from here on we are going to look for battery settings or charging settings. Tap on that, and from here on you might see an option that say fast charging and fast wireless charging. You need to turn both of them off for a moment and then turn them back on. And that's just going to do a quick reset of fast charging. Now after that, let's move on to the next thing. We are going to open up the phone dialer and you are going to dial basically star hash 9900 hash. And that's going to bring up basically some stuff here. But we need to scroll down a little bit further where we see the battery status reset. Tap on that, it will reset the battery status. Now, if that option is not working, basically you need to open up your settings, then search for auto blocker. Turn that off, and now whenever you tap the star 9900 hash, it will be working on your device. Now, once you have done that, we are going to go ahead and do the final thing, which is of course restarting your device. We are going to find the volume down button and the side button on the right side. What you need to do is press and hold both of them at the same time and keep on holding both of these buttons until the screen goes completely black. Release the side button and wait for the phone to restart. And that's basically going to force the phone's software to shut down and reload the code. So if there is a software related issue impacting the fast charging, it's going to go ahead and fix it. It will not delete any of your personal data. All your photos, videos, apps will still be safe on your device. Now after you have done that, the next thing is going to be actually hardware here. Sometimes the cable can be defective. You might consider getting a new cable. Even the adapter for the wall, these sometimes go bad. You might consider getting a new set completely. So guys, these are some of the simple tips and tricks which will help to fix the fast charging issue on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.